Hi, my lovely little stars. I'm Miss Radwa. I miss you. I miss you very much. Actually, I miss you all the time. Today, we're gonna study a new lesson. But before starting it, I just wanna ask you to do some actions, okay? Number one, can you stand up? Okay. Now, can you run at your place fast? Okay. Now, can you run at your place slowly? Run, but very slowly. Okay. Now, make a happy face. Excellent. Make a sad face. Okay. Can you cry? Act like you are crying. Super. Now, can you laugh? In a loud voice. Laugh. Groovy. Okay. Now, pretend that you are asleep. Act as if you are sleeping. Super. Now act like you are awake. Okay. Now, can you see this door? Okay. Go fast to the door. I'm waiting. Now, open the door. Close the door. Okay. Turn off the lights. Now, turn on the lights. Go back to your place. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down again. Now, let's start our lesson about opposites. Do you know what the meaning of opposites? It means that words that aren't like each other. They are very different. Okay? Now, let's see some examples to know exactly what the meaning of opposites. Okay, here we have a very big ball and small ball. We have here big, small. Big is the opposite of small. Big, small. Repeat after me. Big, small. Here we have right and wrong. Right, wrong. Okay, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Right, wrong. Excellent. Now, I'll ask you some questions and you have to tell me right or wrong, okay? The first question, you must do your homework. Right, excellent. The second question, you can shout at your mom and say, "No, mom, I'm not going to do my homework." This is right or wrong? Wrong, excellent. Don't forget this. You must be excellent all the time, okay? Do your homework and listen to your mom words, okay? Excellent, my star, excellent. What we have next? Here we have strong and weak. Strong, weak. Repeat after me. Strong, weak. Super. Now you have to tell me, is the tiger strong? Yes, it is, yes. Is the rat strong? No, it isn't, yes. Is the lion weak? No, it isn't. Okay, are you weak? No, yes, you aren't weak. Are you strong? Okay, remember that. To be strong all the time, you must eat healthy food, okay? Don't forget this. Here we have fat and thin. Fat, thin. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Fat, thin. Now, can you point to the fat boy? Okay. Can you point to the thin boy? Super. Okay. Can you point again to the fat boy? Can you see that the fat boy eats sweets? Okay. So you have to remember that sweets make us fat and unhealthy. We mustn't eat sweets. We must eat healthy food. Sweets make us fat and unhealthy. Healthy food makes us strong, okay? We must be strong. Here we have tall and short. Tall, short. Repeat after me. Tall, short. Super. Okay, now you have to tell me. Is the giraffe tall? Yes, it is, yes. Is the rat tall? No, it isn't, yes. Is the deer short? Do you remember the story? Is the deer short? Yes, it is. Excellent. What can you see here? You're right. We can see a sad girl and a happy boy. Okay, so here we have sad and happy. Sad, happy. Repeat after me. Sad, happy. Groovy. Now, can you make a sad face? Super. Can you make a happy face? Amazing, my star. Okay, let's see what we have next. Huh? What do we have here? We have fast and slow. Fast, slow. Repeat after me. Fast, slow. Super. Okay. Can you tell me, is the rabbit fast? Yes, it is. Okay. Now I'll ask you a question about you. Can you run fast? Okay, dear. Okay. Okay, my star. Here we have hot and cold. Hot, cold. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Hot, cold. Super. Okay, now can you tell me what's the weather like in winter? It's cold. Okay, what's the weather like in summer? It's hot, yes. Okay, do you like the hot weather or the cold weather? What do you like? Okay, my star. Let's see what do we have next. Here we have noisy and quiet. noisy, quiet. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Noisy, quiet. Super. Okay, can you tell me just the answer, yes or no? You must be noisy in the class and make too much noise at school. No. Super. Remember that you must be quiet and listen to your teachers. Super, my star, you're excellent. Here we have heavy and light. Heavy, light. Repeat after me. Heavy, light. Okay, super. As you can see, the boy is trying to carry a heavy bag, but he can't because it's heavy. But the girl is carrying a light box. It's light. Okay, Mom, I need your help. Just let your kid carry heavy objects and light objects to know the difference. Okay, my star? Fine. Let's see what do we have next. Here we have old and young. Old, young. Repeat after me. Old, young. Okay, can you see grandma? Okay. Is she old? Yes, she is. Okay. Is the girl next to her old? No, she isn't. Is the girl young? Yes, she is. Okay, are you old or young? You old or young? Yes, you are young. Okay, here we have asleep and awake. Asleep, awake. Repeat after me. Asleep, awake. Super. Okay, now you have to answer my questions. When do you sleep? In the morning or at night? Yes, you sleep at night. Excellent. Okay. When do you wake up? In the morning or at night? In the morning. Excellent, my star. Let's see other opposites. Here we have dry and wet. Dry, wet. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Dry, wet. Groovy. Okay, can you see the girl? Is she wet? No, she isn't. Okay, what about the boy? Is he wet or dry? He is wet. Excellent, my star. Here we have light and dark. Light, dark. Repeat after me. Light, dark. Do you remember when we turned off the lights in the beginning of our video? The room was dark. Okay? You have to repeat after me for the last time. Light, dark. Excellent. Now, can you tell me what's the boy doing? He's doing what? Yes, he is opening the door and closing the door. Here we have open and close. Open, close. Repeat after me. Open, close. Okay, you're excellent. Let's see what do we have next. Okay, here we have two different verbs. We have cry and laugh. Cry, laugh. Okay, repeat after me. Cry, laugh. Amazing, my star. Excellent. The last two opposites are dirty and clean. Dirty, clean. Repeat after me. Dirty, clean. Super. Okay, just remember that you have to be clean all the time and wash your hands to keep the germs away and to be healthy. Okay? Deal or no deal? Super, my star. Okay. Now it's time for our competition. I'll show you some pictures and you have to answer all my questions to see who is the winner. Okay, it's a competition between Miss Radwa and all of you. Number 1. Is the boy sad or happy? Sad, excellent. He is sad. So you are 1 and I'm 0. Number 2. Is the ice hot or cold? Is it hot or cold? Cold, excellent. It's cold. Now you are 2 and I'm 0. Okay, let's see the elephant. Is the elephant big or small? Big, excellent. It's big. Now you are 3 and I'm 0. You're excellent. Okay, let's see the tooth. Is the tooth clean or dirty? Yes, excellent. It's dirty. Okay, now you are 4 and I am 0. Okay, and before we move to the other question, just remember to brush your teeth, okay, to be clean. Now I'll ask you about the sun and the weather. Is the weather hot or cold? The weather hot or cold? Super, it's hot, yes. Now you are 5 and I'm 0. The last question. Is the boy wet or dry? The boy wet or dry? Super, excellent, he is wet. Now you are 6 and I am 0 and you are the winners of today's competition. You're super, my star. But before we finish our lesson today, let's see the last questions, okay? And you have to be excellent too. Just remember this. You have to tell me what's the opposite of, okay? I'll ask you about a word, an adjective, and you have to tell me what's the opposite, okay? Number 1. What's the opposite of big? Is it tall or small? Small, excellent. Number 2. What's the opposite of cry? Laugh, excellent. Number 3. What's the opposite of old? Young, excellent. Number 4. What's the opposite of happy? Sad, excellent. Number 5. What's the opposite of dangerous? Safe, excellent. Super. Okay. By the way, is the snake dangerous or safe? Dangerous, yes, excellent. Number 6. What's the opposite of hot? Cold. Excellent. Okay, the last one. What's the opposite of sad? Happy. Excellent. I hope that you will be happy all your life. You are a superstar and you deserve all the stars in this world. But now let's see a surprise for you. Okay, we have come to the end of our lesson today. I just want to tell you that I love you very much. You are my excellent, amazing, super extraordinary star. Love you to the moon and back. See you inshallah next time. Bye bye.